How to create a link in bio page for Instagram. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can create a link in bio store for Instagram. So let's get into it. So here you can see I've created a link in bio and I've used Linktree, but you can use other options as well like Stan is also available. You can use this one if you want, although it doesn't give you a free option. Link in bio or Linktree does. So we're going to be continuing with Linktree, and it's pretty simple. All you got to do is just simply add your username over here and then click on get started for free, or you can sign up as well. I've already signed up, so I'm going to click on the admin login and we should be good to go. And if you don't have an account, you can just simply continue with Google or Apple or even your email address. It totally depends on you. So I think I'm going to create a new account and show you how you can create one from scratch. So we're going to continue with Google. And then after that, all you got to do is just type in your Linktree name, right? Linktree username. So I'm going to continue with this one. And then you select one of the three options. So either you're a creator or a business or personal. It totally depends on you. So for this one, I'll go with business, or actually personal, and click on continue. And then you should be good to go. So I don't want to continue my trial. I'll skip this since we can go ahead and use it for free. So here is the free option. Scroll down and we'll click on get started. You can get more options when you go with one of the paid accounts, but if you're just starting out, I think that, you know what, the free version will look good. Then you select one of the themes over here. You can see we got a bunch of different themes. We got the black one, the colorful one. This one actually looks pretty cool, the purple one, and the whole black one as well. So go ahead and select whichever one you want. I'll go with the purple one and click on start with this template. And then you choose which platform are you on. So for this one, we're going to select Instagram, but we can go ahead and select multiples. I'm going to click on continue, and then you add your username over here. And if you want, you can also add additional URLs over here as well. So I'm going to add my username here. All right, so then we just hit the continue button over here. It's going to find our content. We got our profile over here. Then we just add our profile picture. We'll just upload this one and then we'll hit upload. And then here we go. So our website or our account is now created and we should be good to go. We can see all the layouts, the profile icon, the title over here, the size, the text, and everything looks good. Next, we're going to go ahead and add some links. We've already added some links, but you can see right here, if we click on the link section on the left hand side, you have all of your options. In the link section, we can go ahead and add our links. We can see right here, we can go ahead and connect our TikTok account as well. We have our Instagram account over here. We can connect for it as well. And we can add more links by clicking on the add button over here. We can add a product link. We can add a collection, form, whatever we want. On the left hand side, we have all of our main options like commas, like social media, media in general, contact, event, and everything, right? And how do we add this link to Instagram? Well, to do that, I'm going to log in again because I'm accidentally logged out. All right, so here we go. So to log in, or actually to create, all right, here we go. So to actually add the link to your website or your profile, click on the edit profile. And I believe you have to edit it on your phone. Yeah, here we go. So editing links is only available on mobile. So we got to go ahead and open up the Instagram app and edit it from there. So let's go ahead and switch over to my phone and we'll move on from there. All right, so here we go. So to add the profile, again, we click on the edit profile button over here on our phone and then scroll down. We can see the links option right here. Here we have a couple of options. So here we can add our links by clicking on the add link button. We also need to make sure that our account is not, a personal account. We got to make sure that it is a business or, creator's account. It totally depends on you, whichever one you choose. Both of these options will allow you to add links to your profile. So to add the link, simply click on the edit profile button over here and then click on the link section. And then here, click on add links and add the URL and the title over here. We can see I've already added that over here. We can add the title over here. We can remove it and it'll work exactly the same. So to find the link, we'll go back onto our computer. And here we have our link shop over here. We can see this is how it looks like. All we got to do is just copy it and there we go. We copy it and then we paste it on our phone. And that's how we can get the link. We can also add a bunch of other options as well. Like for example, over here we have the shop option, right? This is Linktree shop. All right, we can get started and skip all of this so that we don't have to go ahead and do it. So here we have our shop. So we can publish our shop over here. We can click on add options over here by clicking on the add option. Here we can go with posts or products. We'll go ahead and click on product. They'll give us some different products over here. We can paste our link for the products over here. We can go up from Amazon, Target, whatever we want. So let's say that we want these products right here. We'll go ahead and add these products. We'll click on this one, click on add product. This is the commission that we can earn. And over here, we have the product. You can see right here, it says right there. And we can create a post if we want, but yeah, we can add multiple different products. I'll just add a bunch of different products. Add this one as well. Click on over here. Pays 12% commission for any sale. So different options are going to allow us to get paid in different commissions. And there you go. So now that the shop is active, we can publish the shop by clicking on publish button. And it should pop up. There we go. So here we have links and here we have shops. So in the shop sections, we can see all of our products as displayed right there. So which is pretty cool. So again, we can add multiple different products. Totally depends on you. And if you want to edit the design, we click on the design section over here on the left hand side. We had header over here. We can select whichever themes we want. We got the wallpapers right here. We can get different wallpapers, like we can get patterns. We can also upload custom wallpapers as well. If you want to change the pattern, we can go with morph and organics. So it totally depends on you. And here we have the title font, so we can choose the fonts over here. We got the size of the fonts and everything else. And also, if you scroll down below, we can see the footer as well. If you don't want the footer to be shown, we can hide that as well. It'll be gone. And if you see any brandings of Linktree, of course, you need to upgrade your account. So we'll save this here. And then if we come over here, this is like a little checklist that you can have. But yeah, it totally depends on you. We can share it over here by clicking on share my Linktree and completing it, and also the buttons as well. But yeah, it's as simple as that. So pretty cool, right? So that's how you can add a link in bio on your Instagram account. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time, take care and goodbye.